All right. Today, I'm gonna be showing you is how to stop DNS hijacking in Windows, and I'm gonna show you how to disable the DNS hijacking, change your DNS server, and setting up Google as your DNS server. Now, if you're wondering what DNS hijacking is when it's basically DNS redirecting, and the reason you don't want it is because, let's say you go to a website, you type in or a browser, and you type a URL that does not exist. There's a redirection that occurs. So let's see here. You see this redirection, and it shows ads and things like that, and things that you don't want. You don't want this redirection because it's something that you don't want to look at, in terms of ads. And this is your ISP is doing this. So that's one of the reasons. The other reasons is that it interferes with avahi-daemon and zero configuration. So if you have an Ubuntu and you want to access that server with this daemon, sometimes it will interfere with it, and you won't be able to access because of it, because of this redirecting case. And how do I know it's occurring? One is by typing some random URL inside your browser. The other two is to ping a non-existent URL. So if I just ping, it's just random URL here. Sometimes you'll see a domain name showing up. So for some reason it didn't show up here. Yeah, see, it showed here though. And this this IP address is foreign to me. I know it now, but it's Time Warner IP address. It's nothing to do with my computer or my network. So this shouldn't occur. And also you can do a NS lookup and then type in a non-existent domain, and you can see there's IP addresses here that are foreign, and this should not occur. This is DNS hijacking going on right now. And there's two ways you can stop this. The one way is by doing something with your router, getting a router that supports, I believe, DDWRT, because they have this option called DNS mask. And this URL right here, this site, this page, tells you how to do that. But that's not the way I'm going. The way I'm going is I'm going to change my computer DNS server, and you can find that at there's an instructions on Google, Google on how to do this. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to follow these instructions here. So to get started, I'm going to go to Control Panel and go to Network and Internet, and then Network Sharing, and then change adapter settings. And then you're going to go to your internet connection. Mine right now is a wireless network connection. And again, I am working on Windows 7. And if I go right click and I type Properties, and then you can see there's Internet Protocol version 6 and version 4. So I'm going to go ahead and change version 4 first. And if you go to Advanced, so you highlight it, Properties, Advanced, and then you go to the DNS tab, and then you're going to add, and I believe 8 by 8. Is it 4 8s? Yeah, 4 8s. And then you add, and then you can add another one, which is 8.8.4.4. Add. All right. And then okay. And then if you go to your Internet Protocol version 6, click on properties, and also just going back here, make sure this is selected. Use the following DNS server address. Now going back to version 6, since it has no tabs, I'm just going to go here and then I'm going to copy and paste this. I don't know if it's necessary to put both IPv4 and IPv6. I just do it anyways. And let's see here. So I'm going to paste it. And then get this one. And I'm going to paste it. Okay. And now I close this. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and disconnect. And then reconnect. And what this does is just restart your connection. Okay. And once you do that, now you have to just check if it's working. And the way you do that is just by running the same commands in terms of what I did in the command line in Windows. So if I do a ns lookup random site, you see the message is different. It says you can't find IG response or so. And if I go into the browser and I type, a random, a non-existing domain, it won't have any redirection. It just says server not found. And now you know it works. So and that is all.